Welcome students to our next class on death of a partner. In previous class we saw two problems. In today's class we'll try to wind up death of a partner. Yes, we are having the problem which shows A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1 respectively. So you are having the capitals as well as the assets and liabilities. So this is the balance sheet which is given, where you are having A is getting 60,000, B is capital 1 lakh, C is 40,000. Reserve fund is 50, creditors is 1 lakh. Fixed assets 1,50,000, investment 70,000, current assets 1,30,000. Total will be 3,50,000. C died on September 2017, on 30th September, and partnership deed provide that deceased partner is entitled for a share of profit till the date of his death based on previous year's profit. Next, he is also entitled to share goodwill, which is calculated on the basis of 3 years purchase years and the average profit for the last 4 years. So profit for the last 4 years is given 13-14, 14-15, 15-16 and 16-17. You are having 80, 50, 40 and 30 for the last 4 years. And also we are having the interest to be calculated at 12% per annum. So now we have to prepare executor's account. So you all take down this problem so that we can solve it, or keep the problem aside. Now we are having C's executor's account. So when problem asks for executor, directly executor's account can be prepared in this following manner. So first we are going to transfer C's capital account, that is 40,000. C's capital account 40,000. C's capital account is 40,000. Next, you are having reserve fund. Now reserve fund amounts to 10,000 because it is given 50,000 in the problem. So when you are having 50,000 which is given in the problem, you have to take 10,000 which is given in the problem. So 1/5 gives me 50,000. Next, you are having profit and loss suspense account. Now this profit and loss suspense account is based on the profit which is at the end of the year. So you are having 30,000 which is the profit for the last year, that is 16-17. Of this you have to give 1/5 only up to the September, 30th September, that is from 1st April to 30th September, which is equal to 6/12. So 6 months only we have to give. It amounts to 30,000. Now goodwill. Now if goodwill is to be calculated, you have to first see what is the working note. So working note is seen in the next slide. Yes, now in this we'll see how the working note is. See, goodwill is valued for 3 years purchase for the last 4 years. So average profit for last 4 years amounts to this 2 lakhs, that is 80 plus 50 plus 40 plus 30 gives me 2 lakhs. In case if there is any loss incurred, then such losses have to be deducted from the total profits. So profits are to be added, losses have to be deducted. Now in the given problem we are only having profits, so we are going to take the total 2 lakhs. Now from 2 lakhs, what are the average profits? So average profit is equals to total profits divided by number of years. It gives me 50,000. 2 lakh divided by 4 gives me 50,000. Now we have to see what is the goodwill. So goodwill will be average profits into the year of purchase, because they have given here, I have given goodwill valuation is equals to 3 years into average profits of the last 4 years. So I found out the average profits. Now what is goodwill? 3 into 50 gives me 1,50,000. Now this 1,50,000 is total value of the firm. So only deceased partner share has to be taken. So deceased partner share amounts to 1,50,000 into 1 by 5, which amounts to 50,000. So this is the share of deceased partner which has to be taken to the partner's capital account. So you will get goodwill which is 30,000 only. Next I will have to write interest on capital, which is 40,000 into 12 divided by 6 upon 12. So 12% of 40,000 amounts to 4,800. 4,800 will be again this given up to the period of 6 months, that is half year. It goes to 2,400. Now take the total. Your total should be 85,500 during the year. So executor is going to get 85,400. Now we'll see for one more problem. Yes, we are having Puneet, Pankaj and Prakash as partners in a firm. Their sharing ratio is 5, 3 and 2, and balance sheet is given on 31/3/2007. Creditors, then you're having the balance sheet, the capital accounts of the partners 30, 30 and 20, reserve fund is 6,000. You're having other assets where 10,000 is investments, goodwill 5,000, premises 20, patents, machinery, bank. So you're having the balance sheet. Now we'll see the other information. Prakash died on 1/5/2018. So he is not dying on September, but only for few months he is. That is April, May, June. Only for 3 months he is. Sorry, only for this 1 month he is there. So 1/5 means he expired. So only he is existing for 1 month. So the agreement has been taken that goodwill should be taken at 2.5 times average profits of the last year. So the purchase year is 2.5. Then profit for the years are given 14, 15, 16, 17. It is 13, 12, 16 and 50,000. Now profit of the deceased partner is calculated on the basis of 2017. 4,000 is immediately paid and balance should be transferred to executors. So in the previous year we have prepared executor's account. Now we are going to prepare Mr. Prakash account. So when deceased partner's capital account is prepared, it should be in the same manner. Mr. Prakash account, I'll take the balance, whatever is his capital, 20,000 is taken. You're having reserve fund 2/10. His share is 2/10. So I will take only this 2/10 of 6,000, that is 1,200. Next, profit and loss suspense account is based on the last year's profit. So last year's profit is 15,000 into 4/12 into 2/10. It amounts to 1,000. It amounts to 1,000. Next, you are having goodwill, which is again seen in the note, that is 2/10 of 30,000. So we'll see the working note. So goodwill valuation is 2.5 years of average profits. So last year's profit 14-15, you are having total 56,000. Now total for 4 years is 50,000. So average profit will be how much? 56,000 into 4 or divided by 4, 14,000. Now this 14,000 is multiplied by 2.5, it will come to 35,000. Now in the balance sheet already 5,000 was adjusted. So this has to be deducted. So 35,000 minus 5 gives me 30,000. So whatever is excess, only that amount has to be paid. So goodwill comes to 6,000. That is Prakash's share of goodwill is only 6,000. That is 2/10 of 30,000. So you are having 6,000, which is the amount of goodwill. Now take the total of the credit side, and we are immediately going to pay rupees 4,000 in cash. So that cash has to be paid immediately, 4,000. So now the difference between the debit side, that's 28,200 minus 4,000 gives 24,200, which is taken to executor's account. So I hope it is followed. Now we are having one more slide, that is a 5 marks practical oriented question, where you have to prepare 2 installments for settlement of executors or retiring partners loan account. So you write retiring partners loan account, debit and credit, and then the first transaction will be for getting the retiring partners, executors or loan balances from the capital accounts. So imagine it is to be 20,000. Now when I am giving a loan, there should be amount of interest also which has to be taken into consideration. So always you prefer to take in multiples of hundreds and rate of interest to be 10%. So I will first show only the transfer. Now on 1/4/2017 I have 20,000 as balance. On this 20,000 I have to give interest, assume our interest to be 10%. So 10% of 2,000 will come as 10% of 20 is 2,000. Now at the end of the year I have to pay the installment in 2 equal installments they give. So half of 20 is 10 plus 10 is 20. So I will take 10,000 to be my installment and 2,000 to be the amount of interest. So I will take here 10 plus 12, it is total amount. Now total is 22. 22 minus 12 gives me 10,000 as the balance. So this amount has to be taken, and next year you are going to show by balance brought down 10,000. That is the last installment. 10% interest should be provided on 10%. On 10,000 amounts to 1,000. So 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. So again I have to give here the amount saying that 31/3/2019 by 2 cash or bank I should write, which is missing, that 10,000 plus 1,000. So total will be 11,000. So this is coming to the end of our this debt topic. So here interest and installment amount is missing, which will amount to 11,000. So this is ending our death of a partner. Thank you.